All of you, please close your book and listen me what I am telling. Integers. We know now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children are there. 5 plus 2, 7 are there. 7 is a number. 8 is a number. 0 is a number. Do you agree 0 is a number?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you study natural number. You know, before, not now, now the system developed. Before that, there was a system, barter system. In social science, you may study that, barter system. What I am telling that is 1, 2, 3, 4 ഒന്നും അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ല. നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റം തന്നെയല്ല. അങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിക്കുക ഒരുപാട് വർഷം മുമ്പേക്ക് ചിന്തിക്കും ബിഫോർ. ഇങ്ങനെയൊന്നും 5 rupees, 100 rupees ഒന്നുമില്ല, കോയിൻസ് ഒന്നുമില്ല. പക്ഷെ എങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ഓരോ കർഷകരാണ് കൃഷി ചെയ്യും. So what they will do? Suppose I have got farm, I am farming like that got. കുറെ ആടുകളുണ്ട്, വേറെ കുറെ കൃഷി, ഗോതമ്പ്, നെല്ല് എല്ലാം, വേറെ കുറെ പച്ചക്കറികളുണ്ട്. So what they are doing? They will come to the market, especially weekly one day, maybe Sunday or Friday or Saturday, something like that. എൻ്റെ നാട്ടിലൊക്കെ സൺഡേ ആയിരുന്നു, ചിലയിടത്ത് മൺഡേ ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും അവരെ കൃഷിസ്ഥാനങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ടുവരും. ഞാൻ ഒരാടിനെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. എനിക്ക് ആടിനെ തിന്നാൻ പറ്റില്ലല്ലോ. ഐ വാണ്ട് റൈസ്, ഐ വാണ്ട് അതർ തിങ്, കപ്പ, അതൊക്കെ വേണ്ടേ. വാട്ട് വിൽ ഡു? ഐ വിൽ ഗീവ് 1 goat and I will take some rice. ഒരു ചാക്കോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എത്ര റൈസ് ഇത്ര ഉണ്ടാവും, എന്തെങ്കിലും അളവുണ്ടാവും. Anyway, that is called barter system. Another brought one, what I can say, ഒരു ചാക്ക് മുഴുവനും എന്താ മത്തങ്ങ, വാട്ടർ മെലൂൺ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വെള്ളരിക്ക, മറ്റേ വത്തക്ക, അതൊക്കെ തിന്നാൻ കഴിയില്ല. അയാൾ വന്നിട്ട് വാട്ട് ഐ ക്യാൻ സേ ലേഡി ഫിംഗർ അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും വാങ്ങി. സോ ദിസ് സിസ്റ്റം ഇസ് കോൾഡ് ബാർട്ടർ സിസ്റ്റം. അതിന്റെ ശേഷമാണ് നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചത്. ഹൗ മെനി നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആർ ദർ ഇൻ മാത്സ്? മാത്സിൽ എത്ര നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്? Tell me how many numbers are in maths?
Infinite.
Many are there. Now tell me how many digits are there in maths? How many digits in maths? Etra digits in the alphabet I can say. In English, you know, 26 alphabets are there. In Malayalam and Arabic, you know very well. Now my question is, in maths, how many digits are there? They are coming to the alphabet of maths. Hindi alphabet and maths.
Yes.
How many digits are there? Maths in etra digit ഉണ്ട്?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Very good, excellent. All of you clap for that. There are only 10 digits in maths. 0 to 9, 10 digits. After that, 1, 2 digits number, 3 digits number. We know 10,
Yes.
11, these are called the 2 digits number. And 10 is the smallest 2 digits number. 100 is the smallest, what is 100? Smallest 3 digits number. 99 is the highest 2 digits number. 999,999, that is the 39. That is the highest 3 digits number. So that is 4 digits number, 5 digits number, 10 digits number, 100 digits number. Anything, suppose check your phone number, digits are there. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. All are up to 9 digits only, 10 digits. 2, 0, 5, 3, 5, 7. You know 5 is repeat, it doesn't matter. Anyway, what I am telling, there are only 10 digits in maths. Numbers are formed by digits. 1 digit number, then 2 digit number, like that only. 0 also a digit. 0 also a digit. Understand? Now listen here. You know that, you know very well. Look here. What is this? ഇതെന്താ സംഭവം? കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? What is this? എന്താണ് ഇത്?
200 rupee note.
200 rupees note. Okay, fine. Now listen here. 200 plus 200. 5 rupees plus 5. 10 rupees plus 10. Now, what you are telling, normally 10 rupees is plus number. You know very well now positive and negative. COVID positive, we don't want COVID negative. Okay. Ketilla, COVID negative. You are checking COVID test is there. Maybe 2-3 kinds of tests are there. COVID positive testing. So we don't like COVID positive. But what I am telling, 5 rupees means plus 5. Positive attitude. So plus is good, except for COVID. COVID plus and positive and a negative and in negative, this negative also I am talking. See, natural number. First you are writing natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are called natural number. Which is the highest natural number? We cannot say 100, 1000, million like that is going on. Now in natural number there is no zero. Smallest natural number is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, million. Like that we can say they are the natural numbers. Natural numbers, counting numbers. Zero we are not counting. 0 chocolate, no meaning. I have 0 rupees, no meaning that. No rupees that. No use. After that, zeros also included. That means whole number system. Second is whole number system. 0 is the smallest whole number. Because I am asking you, this is, suppose this is, I told you this 200 rupees. I am giving you, Femi, 200 rupees. Take 200 rupees. Femi, you got it 200 rupees?
Yes.
I gave you 200 rupees. Now in my hand.
I got.
How many rupees there?
10 rupees now.
How many rupees?
No.
No rupees, that means 0 rupees. 0. That is the value of 0. 0, be careful, that is a whole number. Mumbadundula natural number avamo 0 arina kundonu alla 0 cow alla 0 bags kundonu yadare karyilla. 0 vidam 0 chocolate vidam. Now we are doing the business, what we can say, there will be profit and loss. Understand? Or like this 200 minus 200, 0. What is 10 minus 10?
0.
What is 0 minus 0?
0.
0 into 0.
0.
0 into 2.
0.
2 into 5 into 10 into 0. What is that?
0.
That means 0. Be careful. Not like me. I am your best friend. I know. I think so. 0 atom bomb. If you are doing the calculation, I am doing multiplication. My children, they are doing 3 into 100, sir. 300 into 1. That means 300 into 0. Atom bomb. 0. We will lock the door. Whenever we are doing multiplication, we will tell lock the door because 0 will come, your enemy. In multiplication, your enemy. Which is the best friend in multiplication?
1.
1, I am 1. 5 into 10 into 1, no problem. A power, now, my language and enemy of the digit, that means multiplication. If you are doing the operation multiplication, 0 is the called enemy.
Enemy.
Atom bomb. Shatru nale, nashpiku ellam, bombidum. One best friend and one.
Yes.
Okay, addition adakku marum. Anyway, what I am telling here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 to 1, these are called whole number. Get into whole number? Pella get into, alle Femi get into?
Yes, sir.
Get into whole number. Whole in the whole alla, WHOLE, whole.
Yes.
Whole number. Okay, fine. Now you study natural number, whole number. What is the difference between natural number and whole number? I don't know the sense and tell me what is the difference between natural number and whole number? Ainaf Ahmad.
Yes.
What is the difference between natural number and whole number? Which is the smallest natural number? Arkangal parameter, which is the smallest natural number?
1.
1. Very good, very good. 1. Now tell me which is the highest natural number?
9.
Natural number, what about 10? I am not talking about digits.
10.
Numbers. 100, 1000, which is the highest? Mihran, tell me which is the highest? Sona, where are you? Which is the highest? Ellaarum unmute.
10.
Audio unmute. Not 10. 10 is the smallest digit number. What about 100? What about 200? What about 5,000?
Infinity.
Infinity, very good, excellent. You cannot say, not define infinity. There may be trillion, million like that is going on. Understand? But we can say the lowest natural number is 1. After that, I told you about the whole number, WHOLE, which is the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number?
0.
0. Good. That means natural number plus 0, that is called whole number. Now listen here in my classroom now. All are 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there. Yesterday my classroom was natural number classroom. Understand? 1 is there, 200 is there. 700 can sit here? Yes. You are a natural number. Yes, there are sitting 500. Yes, you are a natural number. Here we are sitting. Okay, what is here? Okay, I am 1,000, sir. He can sit. 10,000. You are okay. For me, that means 10 lakh. For me, is 10 lakh. She can sit. 1 lakh. She can sit there. Ainaf Ahmad, 1 crore. He can sit there. Another Shanza, 10 million. She can sit there. Because they are natural numbers. But with a bag, yesterday our classroom, one boy came with a red bag. What is your name? I am 0, sir. He's telling I am 0. Can he sit in this classroom?
Get out.
No.
Don't say get out. He is in the school. So he is waiting outside. So our class people, you are in the classroom, Mihran or Filla or Sona. So no, you cannot, my boy, you cannot sit here. You cannot sit here. So the reason, it is a natural number classroom. Principal came. One English teacher came. They cannot understand because English teacher don't know what is natural number, whole number like that. But you explain. So this is natural number classroom. 0 is not a natural number. He is an whole number. Am I right?
Yes.
So what to do? Principal was excited. He asked me, if I am not there, he asked you, solve the issue. Don't make problem. Include him. What you will do?
Make another odd class and put him.
Very good. No. Another one, but principal is telling no classroom is available here. Not odd. Not odd and even. I am talking about odd and even. What is even numbers?
Even numbers 2, 4.
What about 0?
0, 2.
0, 2. 0 also. Even number. 0 into multiple of 2. 0 into 2, 0. I told you just now. 1 into 2, 2. 2, 4 like that only. Multiple of 2. But I am not talking about even number. We are talking about number system. Natural number classroom. Beautiful board is there. natural number classroom. Principal told, sir, our dear children, we don't have enough classroom here. Please, what to do? Any solution?
Make one bench for him. That's
No, benches, there is a board, natural number classroom.
Then remove that natural.
Very good, excellent. Done. Remove the natural number classroom and write the whole number classroom. Correct? Now 0 is there, 5 is there, again 0 is there, 10 is there. All are happy, principal also happy. That is over. 2 days over, that week is over. Then what? Yes. Then what happened now? Another one, listen me. 1 week, no problem, maths is there, science is there, everything. So today, another week started, rain is there, everything is there. 2 came from other school, 2. Because Wadi Rahma is a good school nowadays, that is why all are coming to our school. Maybe even no, 1 girl and 1 here, they are coming. One is red bag, one is black bag. Brother and sister, they want to study here. Again, this classroom, whole number classroom. Then the class prefect or school, what you can say, class leader. No, what you are telling, class leader. Okay, class leader. Okay, no, don't come. Again problem. They are standing there. So class leader asks, what is your name? I am -5. What is your name? I am -3. So the board is whole number. It is a problem again. A new problem. There is a confusion. Femi, where are you? There is a problem again. The class is disturbed. Now what is the problem here? 0 is inside. 1 is inside. 2 is inside. 5 is inside. But -5, -3 outside. What to do? This is the problem. This is the new thing what I want to say. That
Make a new class for them.
No new class, my dear child. New class illa. School ഭയങ്കര rush ആണ് ഇപ്പൊ. ഭയങ്കര admission ആണ്. New class no. So what to do? Again the principal is looking. Okay, principal is coming. What to do? Principal will call you.
Change the board to 2 numbers. That's it.
No. In the door, this class leader is telling, no, you are not whole number. So he is looking. Principal came. What is the problem here? He is asking. Thomas sir is asking, what is the problem here? I am not there.
Index number. Index.
Wait, I am coming to that. Listen here. Now, principal is asking, yes, Bella, what is here? You are 100. Femi, I am 1,000, sir. Then Sona, I am 200. Another Shenza is here, 0. Okay, 0 can sit, no problem. You all are sitting here. But here, this poor girl and boy, what is your name, sir? I am -5. Sir, I am -7, they are telling. So principal becoming excited, not angry. He understood what is going on. So what is the?
Change the board and write.
So what to do? Tell me, yes. He came to the class. English teacher came. He cannot understand. English teacher don't know what is the difference between 5
Change
and
the
minus.
board and write 400.
Yes. Change the board and. Yes, you are correct.
Write integral.
Okay, you are coming to that. Oh, okay, then he called the math teacher. One math teacher, one math teacher came. Sir, what is happening here? I told the math teacher, yes, 5. What is the difference between 5 and -5? Principal is asking. So he told, 5 is a whole number. -5, not a whole number. So he's telling, solve the issue, sir. Solve. I don't have no other classroom.
Sir, change the board and write all numbers aloud. That's
Whole
it.
number, okay. Whole number, -5 is not a whole number.
Not whole number, all.
No, I want the name, not all number I cannot say. Now that is why we introduce integers. Integers. Yes, I changed the board now integers. minus 5, you can sit here, minus 2, you can sit here, 0, you can sit here, 10, you can sit here, and minus 100, you can sit here. These are called integers. Understand? There's a new friend. Integers means what you study now. Many number padchile. You study many numbers. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 100, 1000, 0. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 100, minus 2000. Negative numbers also.
Integers.
So our classroom is integers. Okay, minus 100, she can sit. Minus 3, he can sit. 5K, he can sit. 100K, and all the numbers can sit. Understand?
Yes.
That is called integers. Don't think that integers means all numbers are there. No, there are fractions also. Half is there. It is not an integer. I will tell you next class. Understand? Now all of you, right? You understood what is integer?
Yes.
Negative numbers also.
Yes. Also known as
Positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 is called.
positive numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
0 not positive, not negative. Positive numbers means whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative
Yes.
numbers mean minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, like that one. And 0. That is it. Or we can say the natural number plus 0 means whole numbers. Whole numbers plus negative numbers means integers.
Negative.
Whole numbers plus negative numbers, they are called integers.
Sir, in notebook, what she.
You had to write. You had to write. Now, before that, tell me you understood or not?
I understood.
What is the fella? Tell me. Enough. Now tell me what is the use of this one? മനസ്സിലായ പോരെ എന്തിനാ അത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പേഴ്സ്? എന്തിനാ അത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? What is the use of that?
Finding the profit and loss.
Okay. Suppose
Profit and loss.
there will be profit means plus, loss means minus. Now listen here. I told you 200. Alle? Okay, 200. Now 200 rupees. Suppose now Alina has 200 rupees or fella has 200. This is your money. Okay, fella? Give me 200. You can give. You gave me. Okay. First I ask you, give me 100. Can you give me 100 from 200? Yes. 200 is a give me 100. How much is left with you? 100. 100 is there. Now, correct or not?
Yes.
Now, give me 100 more. About 200 minus 200 is 0.
Yes.
Now, give me 210. You have 200. Give me 210.
10.
What to do? You have 200 only. Class in a fella and Femi and Ahmad, show me how much is that Ahmad? Ahmad has 200. Give me 200, Ahmad. Enough.
I gave.
Okay, he gave me, keep there. Now only 200 he has. Give me 210 rupees. Don't take, listen here. You are in the classroom, not in house. Classroom il illathu fella undu, Femi undu, Alina undu, Sona undu. Alina inna Dubai il evada illathu. Appo endu cheyum?
So ask from another, give me 10. Sir.
No. Listen here. 10 rupees from where you got? You borrowed from Ali Femi. Enikariya Femi not buy panchu.
Yes,
It's my money.
She gave me 200. Listen me carefully. Okay. 210 ആയിപ്പോ 10 രൂപ ഫെമിനോട് വായ്പ വാങ്ങിച്ചു അല്ലേ? Now listen. 200 minus 200 0. അവർക്ക് സുഖമായി ഫെല്ലക്ക് സുഖമായി കടന്നിറങ്ങും, ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. 10 രൂപ ഫെമിനോട് വായ്പ വാങ്ങി കടം വാങ്ങിയ ഫെമി രാത്രി വിളിക്കും, അല്ല എന്റെ 10 രൂപ നാളെ കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ മറക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ, ബി കെയർഫുൾ അല്ലേ? ഡിസ്റ്റർബ് ആയി, ഉറക്കം ഡിസ്റ്റർബ് ആയി, 10 രൂപ കൊടുക്കാണ്ട് രാവിലെ ക്ലാസ് വരുമ്പോൾ ഫെമി ചോദിക്കും give me my 10 rupees, give me. You had father കൊണ്ട് വാങ്ങിയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കണം. കണ്ടോ, that is -10. കണ്ടോ, 200 minus 210, 10 രൂപ ഫെമിനോട് വാങ്ങി, അതാണ് മൈനസ്. മൈനസ് ഡിസ്റ്റർബിങ് ആണ് അല്ലേ? അവള് വിളിക്കുന്നില്ല രാത്രി 10 രൂപ കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ മറക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ. Understood? That is -10. Now listen here. Minus means not good. Now tell me what is 5 minus 3? 2. 5 minus 3, 2 alle? 5 minus 5?
0.
0. 5 minus 6?
1.
1 alla. 6 minus 5 or 1?
-1.
-1. 1 rupee വായ്പാങ്ങി. You borrowed from her. ഓളെ ₹1 -1 കൊടുക്കണം, നിനക്ക് ₹1 കിട്ടണം. That is -1. In short, what I am telling, minus means loss. ചിലപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ വീട്ടിൽ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാവും ഫാദറൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷം ഉണ്ടാവും. എന്നും സന്തോഷമല്ലേ നിങ്ങൾ ചെല്ലുമ്പോ? ഭക്ഷണമൊക്കെ ഒന്നിച്ച് കഴിച്ചു. ഒരു ദിവസം ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമൊന്നുമില്ല, ഭയങ്കര വിഷമം. അപ്പൊ മദർ പറയാണ് ഫാദറിന് ഇന്ന് ₹500 നഷ്ടമായി. അപ്പൊ സന്തോഷം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല ഇല്ലേ? ₹500 ബിസിനസ്സിൽ പോയി, അല്ലെ ₹1000 പോയി, അല്ലെ ₹10000 പോയി അല്ലെ? സപ്പോസ് ഞാനൊരു കാറ് കച്ചവടം ചെയ്യായിരുന്നു, കാറ് വാങ്ങി ₹50,000, അത് വിറ്റത് ₹45,000. എത്ര രൂപ നഷ്ടമായി?
5000.
-500. വലിയ സന്തോഷമൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. -500. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ലോസ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ സ്വിമ്മിങ് അറിയോ? നിങ്ങൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ ഉണ്ട്, സ്വിമ്മിങ് അറിയോ? ഓക്കെ, സ്വിമ്മിങ്. മേലെ നമ്മൾ സ്വിം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മേലെ ചില പക്ഷികളൊക്കെ പറക്കും അല്ലേ? ബേർഡ് ഈസ് ദർ അപ്പ്. താഴത്ത് വലിയൊരു ഫിഷ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ ബേർഡ് ഈസ് 5 meter above അല്ലേ? ഫിഷ് ഈസ് 3 meter down അല്ലേ? ബിലോ. ആ ബിലോ -3. ബിലോ -3 +5 -3. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ സെന്ററിൽ നിൽക്കുന്നു. ഓർ സൂര്യൻ എവിടെ ഉദിക്കുന്നു? where the sun rise? Sun is rising in the east അല്ലേ? സൺ ഈസ്റ്റിലല്ലേ റൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? and setting in the west അല്ലേ? ഞാൻ ഇത്ര 10 meter ഈസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് നടന്നു. ഇവിടുന്ന് അങ്ങോട്ട് 10 meter, ക്ലാസ് റൂമിലേക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരാം. 10 meter. അവിടുന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് 15 meter ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നടന്നു വെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ എവിടെ ഉണ്ടാകുക? 10 meter അങ്ങോട്ട് പോയി, 15 meter ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പോയി. 5 meter ഡിഫറൻസ്. -5, ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഡയറക്ഷൻ. അപ്പൊ ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് എന്താ മനസ്സിലായേ? നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓൾസോ. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു റൈറ്റ് that integers എഴുതില്ലേ? all of you write integers.
Chapter no integers.
Chapter എഴുതില്ലേ? chapter 6 integers അല്ലേ? now write the natural numbers first. natural numbers